So I'm Professor M.S. Rao. I'm entering Woodland Park Zoo. Woodland Park Zoo. Thank you. So I'm standing at Woodland Park Zoo with my wife and son. So we are going to visit the entrance gate. I'm Professor M.S. Rao. I have 43 years of diversified experience, including Air Force, business, teaching, and I have authored 53 books, including the award-winning book titled See the Livelihood, for which the Nobel Prize in Development Report. I'm a survivor of brain stroke in the year 2021. First time I came to US and I'm in Seattle. I'm going to enjoy.
Millie, we're leaving, babe.
I know. What are they building? Are they building a stage, maybe?
Maybe they might be building like an exhibit.
I think so. I think you're right.
What are we gonna have? We better have. They better have.
Hey, wait here. Let's wait in the sun. We're gonna walk back together.
Seattle is known as Emerald City, and I'm lucky that I visited to Seattle first time, and after 5 years of struggles, and I came to US to visit US, and I visited US, and I am with my younger son Ramakrishna Sai in Seattle. So I last week I enjoyed the cruise and the Space Needle and various other sightseeing places. Now I am going to enjoy Woodland Park Zoo tour. So if you like this video, please share with your networks. So at the age of 18, I joined the Indian Air Force, and I served in the Indian Air Force for 12 years, and for 12 to 13 years, I was into business. Then in the year 2007, I entered into teaching and earned my Ph.D. in soft skills in the year 2011. And I authored 53 books, and I keep writing books in various genres. I didn't get any kind of guidance. I don't have coach. I don't have mentor. So I started Vision 2030, 1 million global leaders, to shape students as global leaders. And I have 4 blogs. One of the blogs by name Vision 2030, 1 million global leaders, and it's a blog, and I also published a book. For that book, Dr. Kiran Bedi has written a foreword. And so far I had trained more than 50,000 students as global leaders. After the COVID, things have gone online, so I started sharing my knowledge through my blogs, and I have 3 YouTube channels. So I have a couple of passions like teaching, training, uh, and traveling. I traveled entire India with my wife and two sons, and we are always traveled on second class uh, uh, sleeper uh, coaches. And I didn't have much money, but within the limited money I enjoyed with my wife and my two sons. We traveled entire India from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and I stayed in Indian Air Force for 12 years. So I worked in B-17 helicopters and enjoyed an exciting life in Indian Air Force. I have written books in various categories like teaching, training, diversity, and mindfulness, executive coaching. Likewise, different genre. So I would like to write a book on my memories. I would like to call it as a memoir. I would like to share my challenges of brain stroke in the year 2021. But I have health challenges now. For more than 3 years, I have health challenges. Now I'm able to talk, and but my right hand is numb, and there is no sense to my right hand. So I'm holding with my left hand. It's very painful and stressful, but I'm recording it to share the video with others, to share my video with connections.
I guess we're leaving.
I'm a late bloomer, dyslexic, ADHD, and OCD. Adding to my challenges, this brain stroke worsened my health. I'm now 61 years old. So 3 years back I had the health challenges. So life has taught me many lessons. And I was born in a toxic family and grew up in a toxic environment. I have lots of challenges in my life. I don't have two-wheeler, I don't have four-wheeler. I still belong to a lower middle class family with several challenges, health challenges, mental challenges, physical challenges, and financial challenges. Despite all the challenges, I rose from the ashes like a phoenix. So you should never ever give up in life. Everything is possible in this world. Be resilient, be tenacious. So Seattle is a beautiful place. It's one of the finest cities in US. My wife and I don't have any resources, financial resources. My younger son has paid the bills and tickets, everything, and now we are in Seattle and enjoying in front of Woodland Park Zoo. We don't know whether we will come to US again, but it's an opportunity for us. After the brain stroke, I realized how fragile the life is. Anything can happen at any time. Life is a gift. I would like to say in this way, life is amazing, life is creative, life is great, life is creative, and life is a miracle, life is a magic. So likewise, life is truly amazing. So enjoy the journey because we don't know what happens next. So don't think too much about unpleasant the past and don't think too much about the future that we can't predict. So learn to live in the present. So enjoy the life of enjoy the journey of life. That is the present. So here the color of the trees, the leaves change, and I think there are 4 seasons in years, and we are in fall season.
You baby doing?
So my son is buying the tickets. Here everything is systematic and streamlined. People prefer space and place. They want space and they respect people. Everything is organized, systematic. We have to follow the rules and regulations. And to get the car slot, we had to wait for some time. Then again we paid some, I think, $8 for car parking. That too for a limited time. I don't know how many hours it is. Usually it's for 2 hours, I think. So $8 we have paid for car parking alone. Apart from ticketing cost, that is different.
Stand there. Can you look? Can you look here? Look at. Can you stand in the middle?
వస్తున్నానా ఎక్కడ ప్లీజ్ షేర్ విత్ యువర్ network. Thank you.